This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Scott Wall. Welcome to a beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in a quiet neighborhood in Rockledge, Florida. This spacious residence features recent renovations, including a new kitchen, refreshed bathrooms, new flooring, and fresh interior paint. With a cathedral ceiling and ceiling fans throughout, the space feels open and inviting. The home includes a 2-car garage with a new water heater, air conditioner, washer, and dryer. Rent covers lawn care with tenant responsibility for regular AC filter replacements. No smoking inside and no pets allowed. Located conveniently near schools, I-95, and US 1, this home offers easy access to nearby trails, dining, and shopping. Owned and maintained with care since construction, this property is ready for tenants who will enjoy and respect it as much as I have. For more information, review the details below or contact Scott Wall at 321-308-0350.